Welcome to our project. We are a team of two. My name is Aditya and my friend is Harishankar. So our project is based on an AI that can revolutionize player experience in gaming. So we're presenting a RAG agent that can act as an interactive NPC within a game. So the idea for this project stemmed from the challenge of making in-game NPCs more dynamic and responsive. So we know that in most games, NPCs are mostly static and have hard-coded voice lines or functionalities to them. So we thought about how about creating an NPC that can act like a butler in a game and guide you through places where you can't go. So in games like Elden Ring, we've been introduced to different play styles within the same game itself. So where some people would actually prefer not to have information dumped on them, while some other players who play leisurely would like to get more help from the game itself. So, in order to create this dynamic approach, we thought of an NPC where people or players could approach and get information based on an exchange of credits or whatever the developers think. So that is what our project's about. We create a RAG agent that takes context information about the game provided by us and then dynamically uses it to answer queries or help players go through certain sections of the game or in general, help them with whatever in general. So for the demo, Harishankar will be taking.
Yes, so coming to the system that we designed, so we had to climb or we had to move through some of the stepping stones to achieve this particular system. The first thing that we did was we designed a document for it was a new document of a particular game that of an imaginary game that we created. The document had relevant information about various things that can be done in the game actually. And what we did after that was we splitted that document into different chunks. Specifically, we splitted it into chunks of 5 and 2 with an overlap of 15 actually, and we stored it in a database table in Snowflake. And after that, we use Snowflake's Cortex search retrieval to retrieve relevant context based on the input query that the particular gamer gives. And the Cortex search retrieval goes through each of those documents and it will finally give us what all relevant information that we need as context before giving it to the large language model. So the large language model we used for our particular project is Mistral Large 2. So it is also available in Cortex. So for the development side, we used Snowflake's API for building all the code base as well as for everything. So I'll just show you a demo of one of the questions where we use the particular thing. So for example, if the question is how can we defeat a golem of Ember Forge, that's suppose that's a question actually. A golem of Ember Forge. And here the knowledge depth parameter represents the amount of context or amount of chunks that needs to be retrieved you're using Cortex search retrieval method. So currently I'm setting it to 5 and I'm just using the Mistral Large 2 as the AI model and I'm asking the wizard. So after getting the context and after giving it to the LLM will give us back the particular answers and it will take a time. Yeah, so after getting the answers we can see that is it has given an answer and in this answer we can see that it has given a context. It has answered based on the context that we give, like the golem of Emberforge is vulnerable to water based magic, and it has told us to occupy ourselves with such kind of a magic for getting or for winning over the golem. And we can see the same by using a document that we created. I'll just So in the document, as you can see here in page number 3, there is an information regarding the golem of Emberforge, where it says that it is weak to water magic, and the particular LLM has captured the corresponding logic, and based on this corresponding text, it has given us this particular answer. So that's it from our side. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.